out here at St. Hubert's doing a cutout for GBM. We're just trying to locate a point that's in the corner there. We can find it roughly with a magnet, but the guys out here have actually used Xtour. So if I go onto my phone here, quick plaster, let that load. So now I can walk around, pre-sheeted, view of the entire site. If we come into this corner at the back of the house, we can see there's the bracket there. If I zoom in here, what we can actually do, get the ruler there. And then from the corner of the wall, across to our point. So I can now see that we're 140 mil in from the edge of our bracket. So now I can mark that on the wall and actually cut that out. Now that we've got our measurements from Xtour, we can go over the wall and mark it. So from the floor we had 300 height, and then we're 150 mil in from the edge.